This is the update report of the Russian special military operation in Ukraine on October 3, 2022. The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov stated the military launched the missiles to the manpower and military equipment concentration areas of the 14th Mechanized Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine near Kupiansk, Drovesnya, Kurilovka, Kharkov region. This attack eliminated over 140 servicemen and 19 units of the special military equipment. Over the past 72 hours, the enemy has lost more than 500 servicemen and 60 units of the military equipment in Kupiansk directions. Massive fire attacks has been launched at the enemy reserve forces and units of the 66th Mechanized Infantry Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine near Slavyansk at Krasny-Liman direction. The attack has resulted in the elimination more than 100 servicemen, 6 units of armed equipment, and 2 Grad multiple rocket launcher system combat vehicles. Over the past of the 72 hours, the units of the 66th and 93rd Mechanized Brigade Armed Forces of Ukraine have lost more than 900 servicemen at the above-mentioned direction.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.